Today, we'll be going over how to conduct a professional competitive audit and derive an informed report to help you design products that truly solve user pain points. There are two stages to this. 1. The competitive audit itself, and 2. The report derived from the audit. We'll look into both stages and quickly learn how to go about it. And you can find in the description both download links for the exact documents that I'll be using in this video. This will guide you for conducting your own competitive audit. So without wasting time, let's begin. This is a competitive audit template. And the first thing you need to take care of here is the goal. The goal of a competitive audit is what you're trying to achieve by conducting the audit. Here, the goal is to compare the user experience of each competitor's website and application. It could be anything. The next thing you will need to decide is who are the competitors of the business or company that you are designing for. Now, you can have as many as you want, and typically, there are direct and indirect competitors. These are the two types of competitors you need to have in every competitive audit that you are conducting. A direct competitor is a competitor that offers the same products and services as the business you are designing for. While indirect competitors, on the other hand, are those whose product and service offerings differ from the business you are designing for, but could still achieve the same goals and satisfy the same needs. After taking care of that, then you need to fill out everything under the general information, like the location of the business, the products they're offering, their price range, website, business size, their target audience, and unique value proposition. When you're done filling out everything under the general information tab, you'll move on to the UX tab. Here, you'll be using the rating system to take notes and also utilizing the plus and minus sign to impute successes and drawbacks, respectively. Starting from the highest rating, the ratings are outstanding, good, okay, and needs work. An outstanding rating is given when there are only successes. A good rating is given when there are more successes than drawbacks. An okay rating is given when there are less successes than drawbacks. Then needs work is given when there are only drawbacks. Under the UX tab, the first tab that you need to tackle is the first impressions tab. Here, you will note down your general observation while interacting with each competitor's website or application for the first time. And under the next tab, called Interactions tab, there are 4 tabs called Features, Accessibility, User Flow, and Navigation. Under the Features tab, you will note down positive, negative, or even absent features that you believe should be present in a competitor's website or app, if any. Under the Accessibility tab, you will take notes of accessibility features and support that are present or absent in the competitor's website or app. Under the User Flow tab, you will note down your feelings and thoughts of the flow of the competitor's website and app while trying to perform tasks that align with the goal of the audit. And finally, under the Navigations tab, you will take note of the navigation support available, for example, keyboard navigation, and also the difficulty of navigating through the competitor's website or app. Next, we'll move on to the Visual Design tab, where we have brand identity. Here, you will look into the colors, typography, and even logos used in each competitor's website and app and find out if they are used consistently and also if they align with company's ethos. Under the Contents tab, you will note down your impressions and observations about the tone and descriptiveness of each competitor's website or app. So for the Tones tab, you will describe what kind of vibe you are getting from each competitor's website. And finally, under the descriptiveness, you will take note of your observations of how well the content on each competitor's website or app communicates their goals, ethos, and product or service offerings. The entire purpose for the first stage of the competitive audit is to use the information you get to derive an informed report about each competitor, which brings us to the second stage of this tutorial video, the competitive audit report. Here, you will use the headings as your guide to fill in each block. Some blocks require a description, while some other blocks require a list. Starting from the top, number one, the competitive audit goal or goals. You can either have one or multiple competitive audit goal or goals. Number two, who are your key competitors? Number three, what are the type and quality of competitors' products? Number four, how do competitors position themselves in the market? Number five, competitor strengths. Number six, competitors' weaknesses. Number seven, the gaps. Inside the gaps and opportunities block, the information filled here is collectively about all the competitors in the audit. The gaps are about features and things that are lacking, while the opportunities are about the ways in which you plan to fill in those gaps. In this audit report, the gaps are no keyboard interaction, no dedicated company app, websites only offered in one language, no delivery tracking feature, not enough assistive technology support integrated into company websites. And the opportunities are create a straightforward process for order, checkout, and delivery tracking. Offer websites and app in many languages. Add a delivery tracking feature. Integrate the app with more assistive technology support. So that's it for today's tutorial video. I hope you've learned a thing or two. Leave a comment to tell me what you've learned or how this video has helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.